I decided to take the audio technology program here at Cuesta because I was learning how to make music on my own, living in LA. I wasn't getting the quality that I wanted, so I began to realize that I really needed professional guidance to just tune up my workflow and the product that I was putting out. The thing that I like most about the program is that it's extremely hands-on. There are constant recording sessions that we have to set up. We're working on the board, on the console, we're working with Pro Tools. The faculty here has so much experience and so much wisdom that I just really feel prepared and like I have tools that I'm really going to use.
The Audio Tech program at Cuesta College is a 4-semester, 16-unit program comprised of Rec Arts 1, Introduction to Audio, Rec Arts 2, Studio Workshop, Rec Arts 3, Pro Tools Workshop, and the capstone course, Rec Arts 4, Student Portfolio Projects. These 4 core classes, along with Music Fundamentals, create the 16-unit Certificate of Specialization in Audio Technology. Students who complete the program are in a competitive position to receive internships at local and out-of-area studios. They are also in line to further their education at 4-year universities and private schools, as well as specialized trade schools. Lastly, they are in a good position to start their local vocations as private studio owners, engineers, and producers.
What I like the most about the Audio Tech program is probably all the hands-on experience we get, in addition to all the fundamental theory behind everything from signal flow to recording techniques. It's a really practical, hands-on program where it's not just the theory of recording arts, but also the practical application of it.
This program is designed for everyone. For hobbyists, for musicians, for actual students who are taking music or music majors. It's for everyone. And you'll have a blast, you'll have fun, because our teachers here, our professors here are great, and they are in themselves musicians.
Through generous funding from Career Tech Education funds, we're able to purchase and provide students with this wonderful array of industry standard equipment which they work with on a daily basis, giving them hands-on experience, giving them total application and building skills that can be used anywhere in the industry, either in film, video, or in musical performance or live performance, and of course in making records and being a recording engineer.
I think it's prepared me very well and all the other students here to go out and pursue our careers. You can see all of the equipment is just at an industry level. They're constantly bringing in new equipment and we're interfacing with it regularly.
These outboard gears are like $3,000 a pop. It's just insane. This studio is most likely like $500,000 to $1 million in itself. So having a hands-on, just be there instead of just listening to or watching YouTube videos, it's different. It's different. Hands-on experience is different.
I think at the end of the day, it's really, really fun. Everybody loves music. It's a behind-the-scenes experience into how this is all made. Now I just feel like I'm able to enjoy the process more. I feel more confident about what I'm doing. I can experiment more. So I think in the end, people should just take this because it's really fun and it's really exciting and the people are great and you get to listen to music all day, so who wouldn't like that?
It's obvious that the faculty and the people in the recording arts program really just want success for their students and are willing to go to any lengths to help them achieve that, both while they're here in school and then after, for whatever comes for them after that.
While there are many options here offered in the music department, I think any student who visions a career in the music production industry will benefit from a concentrated study in audio technology. It teaches them knowledge and applications and further enhances character by building confidence, achievement, responsibility, and the ability to work with others. All in all, it's a wonderful program, so come join us soon.